Stick around to see more great footage of the steam trains at the Illinois Railroad Museum. It's early morning at the Railroad Museum and the crews are just getting the engines warmed up. Here you see the Frisco 1630 and the J. Neal's Lumber Company number 5. The Frisco 1630 was built in 1918 by the Baldwin Locomotive Works. It clocks in at 210,000 pounds. Here we see a 3-truck Shay. This is the museum's only geared locomotive. It was built in 1929 by the Lima company. If you've liked today's content, don't forget to subscribe to be notified of future videos. Thanks.